Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. So as you can see from today's video, we have another Halloween look. So I thought I'd get a bit Barbied up, and I've basically created 2-in-1 looks with this video, because for the first part I've created a really nice glam Barbie look, and then I've twisted it into a voodoo Barbie look, which is this right here. Literally loving it. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. I'm going to speed it up because obviously I've been sat here for a while creating this look. I will pop all links below to the products that I've used, and yeah, let's get Barbied up. guys, what did you think of my Barbie voodoo look? I really hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial. It's actually super easy to create and it just looks so effective. I absolutely love it. What do you think? Please leave your comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I even ended up doing my nails to match my dress. Loving this whole vibe. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. Peace out.